Hello again, I'm back. So to this video, I'm going to color my two nails and also my nail colors, my nails. Hello everyone, so today I'm going to color my nails. So my two nails and also my fingernails. So enjoy watching. I have this blue color here with me and I have also this light. So I think I have to put an accent in my tool. So I have this light blue. So it's my first time to use this one. So I'm gonna use light blue and put an accent. And I also have this dark blue, but I also have this last time. So for now, since I'm wearing blue, I'm gonna do it with blue. So I'm just gonna do like this, hanging my feet in the chair. So I'm going to do with the light blue. I'm gonna show you after. It's really clean. I cleaned it already, so it's easy to put the color. It's very light. It's like white. It's almost white color. First coating. So I'm gonna do it 2-3 times. But this is also gel. I mean the first layer is gel. So I only have to cover up with this color so that it will be look so nice. So the nails is already protected with the gel polish. So this is second layer. We do the second layer. So today the weather in the Philippines is cloudy and so much wind and rain. There's typhoon here. So what I do is just I stay home today. I heard music in my neighbor. So I have to do first with my nails. But first I will try to put an accent in the middle. Not in the middle, but it's the second toes. So this is really my favorite because it's really bright to my toes, but then we'll see how it looks like. Oh, it's still very nice. this one, we're going to put transparent for the finishing touch. Last coating. Concentrating here. So this is my nails today. I also have yellow and orange, so I can try orange next time. So I'm done. Next is the white. So I'm not gonna put accent in my nails. This is already enough. Enough is enough. So I have this glitter. So I can put glitter in my nails. So for my toes, I leave it like that. So I'm gonna do it with this white. Oh, this is the wrong one. So but I can try this one. It's cheap nail color. It's gray. It's gray with glitter. So I will try. Put it here down. Oh, looks nice. I'm gonna put here this one. So after this one, I'm gonna try it into the oven. I have this kind of oven machine. No, it's just like for the gel polish to dry the nail colors, the nail paint. So now I'm gonna do it with my two nails. So we'll see. Look, it's beautiful. I don't use extension for my nails because my nails is really long. So cute. So nice now. It's just so easy. I don't go to salon for a while now because I got ingrown last time. My gosh, so painful. I'm glad it's all good now. Whew, I'm done. So everyone, that's all for now, and I see you again next video. So next time, I have yellow, so we'll see. I can try yellow next time. Bye. Love you all. Bye everyone. Love you all.